Hi everyone, today we're going to study cubes and their prime factors. Let's consider the following prime factorization of the numbers and their cubes. Let's have a table here, two columns. The first column is for the number with the prime factorization and the prime factorization of its cube on the second column. Let's have the first example, number 4. The prime factors of 4 are 2 times 2. Actually, there's only one prime factor here, and that is 2. Now, let us cube the number 4. Here we have 4 cubed. This is 64. Now, let us write the prime factorization of 64. Here it is. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now, the prime factor is 2, but it appears 6 times. We can group these factors into two groups with 3 elements for each. Then we can rewrite this as 2 cubed times 2 cubed. Next example, 6. The prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Now let us cube the number 6. 6 cubed equals 216. The prime factorization of 216 is now 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Look at the factors 2. It appears 3 times. The factor 3, it appears 3 times also. We can simplify and show that this is equal to 2 cubed times 3 cubed. Next example, 15. The prime factors are 3 and 5. Then let us cube number 15, that is 15 cubed, 3,375. The prime factorization of this number is 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 5. The factor 3 appears 3 times. Also for the factor 5. So we can rewrite this as 3 cubed times 5 cubed. Next example, 12. The prime factors are 2 and 3, but the number 2 appears 2 times. Now let us cube the number 12, that is 12 cubed, equals 1,728. Let us now write the prime factorization. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. The factor 2 here appears 6 times. The factor 3 appears 3 times. For the factor 2, we can group them into 2, having 3 elements per group. So we can rewrite as 2 cubed times 2 cubed times 3 cubed. By this example, we can see that for prime factorization of the cubes, each of the prime factor appears 3 times. Perfect cube is a number such that any of its prime factors is also cubed. Let's see this example. Is 243 a perfect cube? Let us write the prime factorization of the number. So this 243 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. We can see that we can form one group here with 3 elements, but another group will have 2 elements. So we say that the prime factor 3 has one group of 3 and another group of 2. In that case, 243 is not a perfect cube.